Don't turn your head at all.
I'm not trying to.
Okay, just your eyes.
When I came around the corner, there was a truck coming high beam at me. It was looking this is the word.
I heard it.
Okay.
I was standing in my garage and I heard it. And
on May 14th, 2025, Kim Mathers, the ex-wife of rapper Eminem, was arrested after police said she crashed her vehicle into another car while intoxicated. Body camera footage captured officers conducting field sobriety tests as Mathers allegedly struggled to complete them.
Hello.
Hi.
Anybody hurt?
No.
What happened?
When I came around the corner, there was a truck coming high beam at me, and I tried to put my high beams on. It's a new car, and I couldn't see it, and I swerved out of the way of it, and I clipped the fucking car.
Okay.
And that's all I can say is, like,
Okay.
it was looking nice. This is the word.
Okay.
And this is a new car. I don't know how to work it or the lights or anything.
Okay. Do you have registration or insurance?
Yeah.
I need your driver's license as well. I'll talk to them.
okay. Do you need me for anything? Or?
Did you see it happen? Or?
I heard it.
Okay.
I was standing in my garage and I heard it. And
We should be all right.
okay.
45 dispatch can copy 2 plates.
Registration.
David Yellow George 992, DYG 992. This one is blue. Break for the other.
Here's the registration. My insurance is like on my phone.
Okay.
It's all
Edward Lincoln Union 9355, ELU 9355. That one's black. Been drinking it all today? You're slurring really bad.
Am I what?
Have you been drinking it all today? You're slurring really bad.
I did drink earlier, but not recently.
Okay. Did you have a lot earlier?
No.
No. Okay. Do you have your driver's license? Thank you. All right, come on over here for me, okay? Just stand here in front of my car for me. I gotta make sure you're sober enough to drive, okay? You turn and face me for me. Okay, put your feet together just like this. Put your hands down at your side. I know it's a little chilly out, but we'll try to go as quick as possible, okay? All right, don't look up at my light because it'll blind you, all right? Can you see the tip of my finger, okay? Okay. Keep your head completely straight. I just want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't turn your head at all. Don't turn your head at all. Don't turn your head at all.
I'm not trying to.
Okay, just your eyes. You gotta do this a bunch of times, so just bear with me, okay? Okay. Some of these questions aren't meant to insult your intelligence or anything like that, okay? It's a standard question that we have to ask. Do you know your ABCs?
Yeah.
Okay. What I want you to do is keep your feet together and your hands at your side. I'm going to have you tilt your head back and close your eyes. I'm going to have you recite your ABCs starting on the letter A, stopping on the letter T. You understand?
Starting on the letter what? T?
Starting on A, stopping on T.
Alright. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T.
Okay, very good. Next one is a balance test, okay? Do you have any problems with your knees, ankles, legs, hips, anything like that? Okay, which leg? Well, I tell you what, we'll skip a balance test because I don't want you to hurt your knee or anything like that, okay? Michigan law requires that you submit to preliminary breath test on the request of a peace officer, okay? If you don't, 2 points on your license is civil infraction. Will you take the preliminary breath test for me? Okay. What I need you to do is take a really deep breath in, seal your lips around this tube, and blow really hard until I tell you to stop, okay? Just like you're blowing up a balloon, you understand? Okay, real deep breath in. Now blow. Harder, harder, harder. Perfect, thank you. Okay, do you know what legally intoxicated is in the state of Michigan?
0.08.
0.08. You're 0.20. You're almost 3 times the legal limit. Okay. For me, unfortunately, I have to place you under arrest. Okay. Go ahead and turn around for me. You put your hands behind your back. Okay, I'm not going to treat you bad or anything like that. Okay. You made a mistake tonight. It sucks, but we got to get through it. What's that? Not tonight. I gotta hold you until you're at least sober. Okay? You turn your hand this way. Let go of your fingers. There you go. Do you have anything in your pockets that's gonna stick me, poke me, anything like that? Okay, is this just nail polish? Something?
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss, okay. I'm just using the back of my hand on your pockets, okay? Got anything in your back pockets?
No.
Okay. In the inside pockets? Alright, I'm going to put this in your car, okay? Alright, come over this way for me. Alright.
You got it?
Yeah. Alright. Give me some light so you can see. Right. I got you so you won't fall, alright? Do you know who your insurance carrier is on the car?
Progressive.
Progressive? Okay. I'm going to set this in your car, though, okay?
At least last time I did the blood just because she started kind of dozing off in booking. So there could be others intoxicants.
Yeah, it doesn't increase or decrease anything though.
Well, that's true, but
grab me your phone or keys. Just the house keys.
there's phone.
Looks like she's got cruise lights over there.
Yeah.
Can't tell though, because some of them.
I'll just do this. There's that. Oh, there's not even keys on that.
Huh.
There's no keys on that.
Oh.
Yeah. So I don't know if she has an extra set of keys somewhere. Yeah, I'm not seeing other keys.
I have not made. I don't know who owns this thing. I have not made contact with them yet.
Alright, I can make contact and whatnot.
Would you mind doing the UD10?
Yeah, I can do that. There's another phone.
Okay.
I'll do the UD10, I'll do the impound form.
Thank you.
Yeah, just give me the alley-oop, please.
Yeah. Give you the what?
The alley-oop.
It's the alley.
The assist.
Oh, of course. Here is her registration.
Perfect. Alright, I'll find that. Make sure it's somewhere.
She says it's on her phone. But she has Progressive, I know that.
Honestly, I might have it from last time.
Okay. Oh, that's just water. Never mind, not a beer.
Yeah. These aren't open, but 6-pack of Crown.
Okay.
Nothing else in the front.
She just pled to yours a couple days ago.
Yeah, no contest.
Yep. Did you already get Ballard's?
Yeah, I got dollar soda for one. I
Right.
don't know what they're going to want to do. Like I
Right.
said, I'll get dispatch to do it.
All right.
It should be up there on the tag.
All right. I'm gonna roll out with her if you're good.
Okay, okay.
Yo.
I mean, I don't know where it's at, but there's a cap to one of those crown shooters and an empty wrapper right there that it would have been fitting in.
Okay.
So I don't know where that is, but there's evidence that there was one open here.
Yeah. Okay.
So just something to know.
Sounds good.
MQJ was on starting 345. You open it. That worked. Thanks, go check.
Kim Mathers was charged with operating while intoxicated, third offense, a felony under Michigan law. Following her arraignment, the court ordered alcohol monitoring and counseling requirements, while the case remains pending in Macomb County.